The two-man peel is the preferred hanging method and should be used whenever possible. It reduces film waste, offsetting the additional cost of an assistant. It's the most common method used for installing film on large windows, and it's the best way to install thicker security films that have pressure-sensitive adhesive. After cleaning and prepping the glass and frame for installation, follow these steps. One person will hold the pattern up off the floor with their index finger and thumb on both upper corners, with the liner side facing away. The second person begins to peel the release liner, starting at an upper corner, simultaneously spraying the exposed adhesive with solution until the liner is completely removed. The second person then sprays the clean glass surface with solution. The person with the film then moves the film into position and, without touching the frame, applies the film to the glass. Use your thumbs to push the film into the upper corners. When possible, use a factory edge or straight cut edge across the top of the glass so there is no overlap. Then, mist the hard coat side to allow the squeegee to slide across the surface. Use your application squeegee and follow the anchor pattern shown here. Start at the top center and squeegee outward with horizontal strokes. Set the top edge first, especially if you've used a straight edge with no overlap. Be sure to overlap the strokes using only half the blade and stop 1 to 2 inches from the window frame. Using your knife with a sharp tip, cut a 45-degree angle in each corner that has overlap on both sides. This will allow the film to lay flat on the glass and not crease. Now the final trim. Place a hard card in the top corner as a guide. Cut at a 45-degree angle or less using the inside edge of the hard card. Slide the card and knife together to create a 1/16 inch daylight gap for water to escape during squeegeeing and bumping. Remist the film and squeegee again. Follow the same pattern, but with a little more force, and go all the way to the frame. Wrap a paper towel around the edge of your 5-way tool or hard card and go around the window again, this time bumping the edge and letting the towel absorb the excess water around the edges. Follow the bumping edges pattern.